guys, back into another video, and today we're playing Don't Press the Button number 4. So yeah, right now we're on a beautiful vacation. And guys, in the war video, I know that got like in very quickly, but we will be playing another one of those videos, and yeah. And I will start posting one video a day. I will be repeating this for this whole week because I need more than just a couple people to see this. Ah! Okay, I could just stand here. No, I can't. They're moving. Oh my goodness. 100%. I pressed it. No, 100% move. Yes, I pressed it. I'm gonna make it first. What? Bruh. That's so unfair. Bro, that's just not cool. All you do is that you just make it to the other side. What do you get? Nothing? Pretty sure. Yeah. So don't press the button. I pressed the button. Don't fall down in the lava. What lava? What lava? That lava! Run. There's lava back there. I see it's red. I'm running. Bruh. You can just walk through these? No, you cannot. Some people have a different, okay. Okay. I think I'm just gonna stay here. It's a nice area. It's pretty easy right now, but I don't want to jinx it. So yeah, not hard actually. I'm gonna jinx it right now. This is the easiest game I've ever played. Better not die. Yeah, I won. I almost just fell in the lava. Get to the top. Why? I want to get to the top first. No, I want to go. I'm going first. I'm the parkour queen. Go to the top. Haha. Yeah. Money. We got money. Money. We got money. It's money. We got money. We got money. Yeah. We got money. Yeah. We got money. We're rich. Okay. What do we buy from the store? All right. Okay. Wow! We just fell. That did not feel nice. Okay. Whoa, don't fall off the building. Okay. I know oh, why is there a hand? Okay, you know what? It's fine. I'm gonna jinx it. This is pretty easy. It's just wind. I have to get ready to change it any second though. Yeah. See? Pretty easy. Oh, yikes. That is not a way I was expecting it to be. I'm right at the edge, too. Oh, I just saw some. Uh-oh, I don't like this anymore. Wait, she survived? She didn't die yet? How? How did you not die yet? Oh, my goodness. I got 100 coins. I'm pressing it. Giant volcano, watch out. Wait, what? Button presser, yep. It showed I was the volcano. Yeah. It said I was the button presser. Wow! The volcano! Guys, please help us. Please, we need help. We're gonna need help or else we will all die with this volcano attack. I am the button presser. Guys, we have to watch out. There's giant magma blocks gonna murder us. Ah! I'm so close to dying right there. I like being the button presser. I just find the correct pad. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I think it's this one. Pretty sure it's this one. Oh, that's the correct pad. No, these are not pads. Okay. It's not any of them. Okay. Fire the most amount of fireworks. Oh. Yikes. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's cool. Now that is cool. I need to find more fireworks. Oh, yikes, that's a lot of fireworks. I need to find fireworks. Fireworks. Oh, I see one. I think that's one. Yes, that's one. Firework. Yes. Okay, good. Firework. Where are other? Oh, firework back here. Fireworks. Any others? There's none on top of the houses. I'm pretty surprised. Usually they would hide a lot of things on top of things. There's literally no fireworks. What do I? Oh, there's a firework right here. Good. Nice. Light that up. Light it up. How many do people have? I think I have the most. I'm not sure. I need to get fireworks. Firework. No, she took it. Okay, she took the firework. Oh, okay. Who won? Okay, no one won. Gotcha. That's good to know. I'm gonna push the button. But oh, get ready. Snowball fight! Die. Bruh, I can't kill her anymore. Can't kill you anymore. Oh, there we go. I got a hit on her. Kill. Let me kill her. No, what is she doing? I can't kill her. I can't kill her in here. What? How did she just regen? No, she did not just regen in front of my face. Oh, I just killed her. Okay. I'm awesome at this snowball fight. I'm such a winner. I'm so good at this. Bro, it's so easy. Come here. Oh, come here. I need some killings. I see you. Pizza man, die. What the heck? How does he get like super speed? I don't want super speed. Whoa, okay. That's cool. Oh, whoa. Color the most, tiles? Okay, I have to color most amount. Okay, tiles. All right. I'm gonna claim this as the green zone. Color every tile I can to color all the tiles in the universe, okay? We're just gonna do this on this side so then we can get all the green. All the green, yeah. Oh, yes. Yes, this is beautiful. Scrumptious. Okay. I need this whole side to be my thing. All mine. Yeah, this is all mine. I'll tell you. Oh, the top. Oh, you can color the top of this. No one will ever know. No one will know. Yes. Okay. It's all my area. My whole entire area. Color most tiles. Where am I? What? I didn't even know. I don't even know what place I got. Jump over the lasers. What laser? Those lasers. I died instantly. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, everyone died. Okay. That's good to know. I'm the button presser. Haha, I pressed it. Okay. Stop the incoming balls from touching. Oh, these have to touch these in my face. Okay. Anything that comes on this side is mine. Yeah, I don't think anyone. Oh, mine. No. Bruh. That's so close. I have this side, you guys have that side, okay? Okay. Oh, that's your side. Your side. My side. My side again. Oh, my side, 100%. Oh, just barely. Okay. Get on the pillars. I think you should have got on the pillars. Are you saying only one of these pillars are gonna like... Okay, good. Button presser. I wanna be the button presser. Did I press that? Avoid the rocket. Rockets? What rockets? Those rockets. Okay. Pretty slow, actually. It's fine. We're chill. If we see them incoming, we just need to see them. And I went right into it. Oh my god, I literally went right into it. That's just sad. But this game is a really fun game. Pretty fun. I actually do like this a lot. I do like this game. It is a very fun game, I would have to admit. So yeah. Avoid. Oh my goodness. What the? What? She stood in one spot the whole game. Okay, you know what? That's good. I'm not gonna be the button presser. Oh, get ready. What is this? Fight! Fight! I don't want to fight. I don't want to fight. I can't use this. Whoa, yikes. Okay. But guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed and had a wonderful time.